Hello! In front of me I have POLAR A370 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to change the time format on this smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the POLAR Flow application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the POLAR Flow application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. Let me actually close it and open it again, like this. And once you open the application, you should see the Today page, basically the main page. Now you can tap on the menu icon right here in the top left corner, or on iPhone on the bottom right corner. Open the menu, then scroll down, tap on devices, and once you tap on devices, you should see the device page for your A370. And here, as you can see, we have an option called time format, and we can change the time format by selecting the option we like, basically by tapping on it. So select the time format you like, and once you do, you need to sync your smartband with your phone to apply the settings. To do it, find the side button on your smartband. It's in the bottom left corner, right here. Press and hold it, and keep holding it until you see searching on the screen. Then you can, of course, release the button and wait until the devices are done syncing. And as you can see, once the devices are done syncing, the settings were applied and the time changed to the 12-hour format. And now we can close the application, and that's how you change the time format on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.